Hey guys, welcome to KennyBlandAuctions.com. Today's video, another antique cowbell, all metal, handmade, riveted sides, cast iron dinger. This is lot number 97 in our July 29th, 2025 auction, KennyBlandAuctions.highbid.com. She stands about 5 inches tall. And can you imagine this on a big, like, milk cow out in the field? And that's what they used them for. Pretty good shape, original patina. Here's the big test. And I'd say it passed the test. Again, this is lot number 97 in our July 29th, 2025 online auction, KennyBlandAuctions.highbid.com. We do offer shipping. Thanks for viewing.